Hey traders, welcome. So this is the best trading strategy for scalping that you can actually use as a trader. So this is a trend following strategy. I always told this, and I always recommended you to use only one time frame, which is a 15-minute time frame, and you can use any pair of your choice provided it moves with the trend. So now here, this was a bearish trend. That means we are going to get all the confirmations, or we are going to get all the setups in the bearish direction because we are following this bearish trend. You can see that the market was moving downward. So I want to show you what we would consider and what we would look at before entering any trade with our trend following strategy. Okay, so now here, what confirms the trend is the break of market structure. Okay, and when the market breaks structure, it will always create a retracement. It will always make a retracement to any zone that you will sell or buy from, right? So now, for example, here, when you look right here, this was a low. Okay, this low. So when this low, when the market comes and breaks this low, that means it has created a new low. Okay, it has created a new low. It means that that is a break of market structure. This one is a break of market structure right here. When it breaks it, it means that it is going to make a retracement to any zone. So the zones that we consider fair value gap zone or order block zone, and also you can consider support and resistance. But for this case, we shall deal more in fair value gap and order block. Now, for example, here you can see that the market retraced after a certain fair value gap here. It retraced to that zone. You can see the move. Now we are looking at our new low. Remember, it is a trend following. Okay, this is our new low now the market has created after retracement. Now you will see that when the market comes and breaks that low, it has now created a new low. Okay, so now we always wait for the retracement. You have to wait for the retracement to any zone of your choice, right? So now you can also see that it has created it has gone to certain zones. That was an order block zone, and also there was also fair value gap right here, though it was small. So now you can see that it really it turned from there. Now here, also there was a break of market structure right here. This low was broken. Okay, this low was broken, creating a new low, right? So now you wait for the retracement to any zone of your choice. Now for me, I use order block in fair value gap. ICT traders, you know better, right? So now you can see that when it came, you just enter your market. So now for the risk management, where do you put your stop loss? Or is when you entering, for example, now the market has come back to this fair value gap. Always where I put the stop loss, it is above the new lower high, right? The new higher low or lower high, it is where you put your stop loss, and the TP to the new low that the market has created, the new lower low, right? So you will see that it will always give you either a 1 to 3 or a 1 to 2 trade, right? So when it comes back, for example, here, when you have entered right here, always you make sure you put your stop loss to avoid stop loss hand. Okay, so you always put it there, then you always put your TP to this low. It is a 1 to 2 trade. So that's how you can trade this confirmation. It is a very good scalping technique that you can add to your trading. Okay, so if you have really enjoyed this strategy, consider subscribing and give a like to this video. Thank you for watching.